how to log in or sign into your Banco BPM account in Italy. First, you want to Google search for Banco BPM and click on the first link that pops up right here. Now, from the top right corner, you want to click on this yellow button, and then you will select UWeb and Accedi. Now, it is going to ask you for the identification code and your password. And if you are logging in for the first time, you can click on instructions for first access. The identification code is going to be a 7-digit numeric code associated only with you. If you opened your account online, you can find your ID in the confirmation email. And if you opened your account in a branch, you can find the ID in the documents you received from the account manager. Next, you will type the alphanumeric code for your password. Here, you can read through it. And basically, once you type the identification code here and your password, you will click on sign in, and that is going to sign you into your Banco BPM account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.